The installation instructions. Embedded installation. First, take off the pre-attached mounting bracket. Then unscrew the screws at the middle on both sides and remove the glass panel. For the embedded installation, it's necessary to reserve a wall opening and drill an inner hole for the power cable. Please refer to the reserved pit dimension diagram. Pass the power cord through the reserved hole in advance. Tuck the electric fireplace into the reserved pit. Mark the positions of the screws to be driven later with a marker pen. Drive the screws in with an electric screwdriver. Put the decorative pieces into the electric fireplace. Install the glass panel back. Then the installation is completed. Wall-mounted installation. Fix the removed installation brackets to the wall. Use a leveling ruler to ensure that the bracket is leveled. Make marks with a marker pen according to the holes on the bracket. Drill holes at the marked positions with an electric drill. If it is installed on a concrete wall, the expansion screws need to be inserted into the pre-drilled holes. If it is a wooden wall, this step is not necessary. Install this bracket. Hang the fireplace on the installed bracket and tighten the fixing screws. Put the decorative pieces as same as that of the embedded installation. Reinstall the glass panel and tighten the screws. Then the installation is completed.